Okay. Um, Einstein's theory, general relativity and special relativity, it has the universe as flat for gravity to have effect. So the only way gravity can have any real effect is for it to be flat. And of course, there's no sign of anything flat in the universe, so Einstein's theory of gravity cannot be real. Something else must be happening. So that's an error in physics. It's more like an ocean. Space is more like an ocean. Because once the evidence is once you get out there, you float like you're in the ocean. You don't walk on a flat surface. So that's an error in Einstein's theory of gravity. There is a kind of attraction, but it's not on a flat surface. It's more like fish in an ocean. It's attracted by large bodies. So large bodies um, tend to attract smaller um, planetary bodies. It's still a working theory. I'm calling it attraction theory because, like in the animal kingdom or in plant life, you're attracted to give birth to something. So, based on attraction theory, because of their attraction, it should give birth to something else. Same with a black hole. The reason why it would attract anything going into it is because it needs to give birth to something else. A multiverse is my guess. Is black holes create multiverse? So I think based on my number one theory, um, dark matter creates multiverse and black holes create multiverse because there's never just one. There's always in physics. There's always two, at least. Um, so for my attraction theory, I don't know exactly yet, but I'm pretty sure planetary. See, because I don't know why the asteroid belt. I don't know why that's not. Um, it does create a circle. See, so I don't know all of it yet, but just working from small and then working my way out, like interplanetary to outer planetary into asteroid belt. Just working from what the small that I can work on, it looks like there's an attraction to the sun because um, if you're in the right spot, you can create life. And it looks like the universe is trying to create life to continue itself. Is my attraction theory is that the universe is trying to continue itself through the multiverse and through giving and creating life. So my attraction theory is trying to continue itself. Through multiverse and life. So the universe the universe is trying to continue itself. Like Isaac Newton says, once it's in motion, it stays in motion. Once in motion, it stays in motion. So one universe will always become 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So more universes. So not only does the universe expand, it creates more of itself. Because it needs to stay in motion. That's the same with time. So the time of this pen is right here, but the time of the pen extends, so the pen can move. If the time of the pen is only right here, I can't move it. So the time has to extend right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Even though the pen is not there yet, it has to create more of itself so that it can be there. Possibility. It can be there. So the multiverse, even if it's not occupied, it has to be there for potential use. So like the ocean, even though all the ocean is not used, like there's no animal life there, it has to be there for potential life. And air particles, I'm not going to breathe all the air of the world, but it has to be there for potential use. So, potential use. This is all in my attraction theory. So there's potential use and so here's 1, 2, and 3. I'm using Isaac Newton's staying in motion theory. So number 1, it continues itself. Number 2 is motion stays in motion. And number 3 is potential use. I need to go in detail for this one. But those are the 3 categories of attraction theory. So that's what I'm working on right now.